So you've been thinking about moving to Spring Hill, Tennessee, or the southern part below Nashville of Middle Tennessee. We're going to get started right now looking at all things Spring Hill as it relates to $400,000, and we're getting started right now. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time to the channel and you're wanting to know everything there is to know about not only Spring Hill, but all of Tennessee, feel free to click the subscribe button, click the bell for notification, and then you'll get notified every single time we upload a new video. I'm Michael, and Joshua, Rachel, and our team, we get calls from people just like you wanting to make their move to the Middle Tennessee area. And when they do, they need somewhere to call. They need somebody to call and talk and ask questions to. That could be us. If that's you and you have questions, feel free to reach out. All you have to do is give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, and we'll help you any way we can find a place where you can live, work, and play. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna be taking a look at the 400s of Spring Hill, and we're gonna look at the Williamson County side and we're gonna look at the Murray County side because Spring Hill kind of hovers right there on the line. So as we're taking a look at that, we're gonna take a look at a Williamson County 400s house that is right down the road here. We're going to take a look. It's in Woodside right here. And then after that, we're going to take a look at a townhouse also because there's some pretty cool townhouses here in Spring Hill. And we'll take a look at another house. We'll kind of show you around the area, show you a couple of neighborhoods, do some driving too, and tell you a little bit more about Spring Hill. Let's get started. Okay, we're on the way to that first house, but before we get started, I wanted to show you Woodside's made up of several different types of homes, not just single family homes are here. Right behind me, we're going to drive down this street in just a few minutes. When we do, you'll see that there's townhomes here as well. Let's keep moving. Okay, so as I said, we're already here in Williamson County, and this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath house that is 1,634 square feet. It is nice inside. It's been a lot of stuff's been renovated already. It has a fenced-in backyard with raised garden beds in the backyard, and it's obviously got a garage. It's in a wonderful neighborhood, very quiet neighborhood. And I always like to say this with some of the houses, the streets have sidewalks and there's tree-lined sidewalk. Like there's trees along the edge. And there's really nice landscaping at the front of the neighborhood as well. So we're gonna take a drive around the neighborhood a little bit and we'll keep moving. Okay, we're on the Murray County side now. We have just been over in Williamson County. We moved over across Duplex Road, which is the breaking point right at the county line. We are probably a couple hundred feet away from the county line here in this neighborhood. And this neighborhood is unique because it is a much larger neighborhood than the last one we were in. We were in a neighborhood where the houses were 1,600 square feet roughly. These houses are 2,500 square feet. The house right behind me is 499,000, and it is still in the 400s, barely, but it is 2,406 square feet, and it is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath. Has a little bit larger lot than the lots over in Williamson County as well. Obviously, Williamson County is a much more expensive county as it relates to the school system and what people are looking for, but here just right across the county line, there's some great deals, great properties, and certainly bigger houses if that's what your need is for your family. So we're going to go take a look at some of the pictures from this house and we'll drive around the neighborhood. Let's go. Okay, now that we've already shown you a Williamson County house and a Murray County house, we're gonna go back to that same neighborhood we were in, Woodside, and show you the townhouse version of Woodside, which is a little bit less expensive than the house, obviously. It's $399,900, just shy of $400,000. It's in Williamson County. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,548 square feet. And these townhouses are not just unique and have a lot of character, but they are in Williamson County, which is unique for sure. Now that we're done over here, we're going to show you around this part of the neighborhood. We're going to also show you some pictures of the townhouse here, and then we'll take off and hit a townhouse in Murray County. Let's keep moving. Okay, we're here at our last stop, and I want to give you kind of the rundown of a couple of things. One, we've already looked at a house in Murray County and in Williamson County, and we've already looked at a townhouse in Williamson County. Now here we are back in gonna look at a townhouse in Murray County. I kind of broke the rules a little bit though, because we're supposed to be looking at houses in the 400,000s, and this one's actually a little bit cheaper. And that just goes to show you that you can get the same thing in Murray County for a lot less expensive than in Williamson County. So this particular townhouse is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhouse, 1,624 square feet, and it is only $350,000. The only difference between this one and the one in Williamson County is it's across the county line, and that's what makes it less expensive. Now, there's great things that you can talk about houses in Williamson County and houses in Murray County being in the same city area, having the same access to restaurants and to all the amenities and everything that you can do in the Spring Hill area, whether it be going to the movie theater or going out to eat, or, you know, Walmart's super close, Kroger, the grocery stores are super close. So it's not really a lot different, but the only difference is you're crossing this county line. Hope this helps to help you understand how you can live in Williamson County, how you can live in Murray County, but ultimately how you can be in the Spring Hill area south of Nashville. And this is a great opportunity if you want to find a place where you can live, work, and play. We'll see you next video.